Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. Although the battery in the iPhone 7 can be easily removed due to the pull-out tape, we can only recommend the repair for people with advanced experience in repairing smartphones. The reason for this is that the LCD screen is extremely strongly glued to the middle cover, and thus there is an increased risk that the LCD screen will break when opening the device. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Separating the LCD screen from the middle cover. Power off your device. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Hint: this screw storage tool is very useful for the repair. Alternatively, you can of course also consider your own screw storage system, for example with a magnetic mat or double-faced adhesive. Remove 2 screws beside the dock connector. Heat the LCD screen from the front along its edges. Fix the suction cup in the lower area of the LCD screen. Try to slide the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover while raising up the LCD screen by pulling on the suction cup. Attention! The LCD screen is glued extremely strong. It is very difficult to slide the plectrum tool into the thin gap between LCD screen and middle cover. Heat again and again and be very patient. If you do not succeed with the plectrum tool, you have to take a metal spudger. This is only recommended if there is no other solution, because with a metal tool you will risk damaging the LCD screen or the LCD frame. In our case, we used a scalpel, but we would recommend using alternatively the following metal spudger from our repairing tool list. iSesamo Premium Opening Tool Metal Spudger, very thin. As soon as you succeed to slide the spudger between LCD screen and middle cover, you can use the plectrum tool as a placeholder and take a second plectrum tool, alternatively a spudger, to lever once around the whole LCD screen. Keep on heating again and again while levering. Keep on heating in between and slowly loosen the adhesive. If the LCD screen is released completely from the middle cover, you can open it carefully to the right side. There are 2 flex cables located at the right side, LCD and touchscreen. Do not damage them. Remove the suction cup from the LCD screen. Remove 4 screws from the covering of the first flex cable. Remove the covering with the tweezer. Release the 2 flex connectors located underneath the removed covering with the help of the spudger. Remove 2 screws from the covering of the second flex cable and take the covering aside. Release also the flex connector located underneath this covering with the help of the spudger. Now the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover. Removing the battery. Hint: in our case, the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover when changing the battery. This is not absolutely necessary. If you want, you can also change the battery while the LCD screen is still connected to the middle cover by the two flex cables, LCD screen and touch. Release the battery connector with a spudger. Release the two overlapping adhesive strips from the bottom of the battery with the help of the spudger until you can grab them with your fingers. Try to pull out the strips one after the other in one piece. If one of the strips tears off by pulling them out, try to pull out the end of the strip with a tweezer until you can grab it and pull it out with your fingers. As soon as both adhesive strips are removed, you can easily remove the battery. In the second part of the video, we've changed our working mat to show a direct comparison between light blue and dark blue checkered. We would be glad if you would leave us a short feedback in the comments. Which working mat you like better and which you think we should use for future videos. Thanks. Fixing the battery. Hint: we suggest using the original pull-out tape of iPhone 7 for fixing the battery. This will ensure that you can easily remove your battery relatively easy next time. Remove the protective foil from the adhesive strips. Adjust the two strips on the back side of the battery and push them solid with a cloth. Do also remove the protective foil from the backside of the adhesive. Link the battery connector and use it as a guide to adjust the battery. Fix the battery and release the battery connector. Fix the battery finally by pushing it solid with a cloth. Remove the protective foil from the overlapping endings of the pull-out tapes and fix them on the bottom of the battery. Attaching the adhesive for fixing the LCD screen on the frame of the middle cover. Free the frame of the middle cover from adhesive residuals. To do this, heat the frame slightly and use a metal spudger as well as tweezers to remove the adhesive residuals. Finally, clean the frame with a toothbrush soaked in spirit. Remove the protective foil from the adhesive for fixing the LCD screen. Adjust the adhesive on the frame of the middle cover and push it slightly. Push the adhesive solid with the help of the spudger. Finally, do also remove the protective foil from the back side of the adhesive. Closing the device. Link the LCD screen to the middle cover. Tip: lean the LCD screen against an object, for example a bottle of spirit, after connecting it to the middle cover to prevent damaging the flex cables. Use the tweezer to lay down the first flex cable covering and fix it with 2 screws. Lay down the LCD screen loosely to the middle cover and switch it on to test for functionality. Power off the LCD screen and clap it aside again. Do also fix the second covering with 4 screws. Remove the left protective foil of the LCD screen adhesive. Fix the LCD screen on the middle cover by pushing slightly. Start pushing in the upper area of the LCD screen until it is locked in. Then you can continue pushing in the lower area and once around. Switch on the LCD screen and test again for functionality. Insert the SIM card tray. Fix the 2 screws beside the dock connector. If you want to know how to replace the LCD screen of your iPhone 7, then do also watch the following video of our playlist, iPhone 7 Screen Replacement.